DIY entrepreneurs. Today I will be showing you how I created my very own website for free with Wix. The actual amount of time it took me to create a simple homepage was about 30 to 45 minutes, so I will actually be posting a part 1 and part 2 showing you how to create your very own website for free in under an hour. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. I hope that you enjoyed watching me create steps 1 through 4. I will be continuing the remainder steps in part 2. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss out when you post the next video. As always, if you have any comments or questions, you can feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I hope that this video was insightful, and I will see you in my next video. Also, be sure to check out the links to this website to see the finished product. Until next time, guys.